Exploring 3D shapes, faces, edges, and vertices. Welcome to Kids Wise Corner. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of 3D shapes. Get ready to explore their faces, edges, and vertices with me. So what are these words, face, vertices or edges? The face of a shape refers to the flat surface of a shape. The vertices refer to the corner of a shape and the edges are the line segments. Our journey begins with the rectangular prism. Picture a rectangular box. A rectangular prism is also called a cuboid. How many faces do you think it has? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. Edges are the line segments in the shape. In other words, they are the straight lines. Let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. The vertices are the corners of the shape where the two segments meet. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. Now, let's meet the cube. It's like a special type of cuboid where all sides are equal. Can you guess how many faces, edges, and vertices a cube has? A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 12 edges. A cube has 8 vertices. Moving on, say hello to the triangular prism. This shape has a triangle at each end and 3 rectangular faces. Let's count its features together. How many faces, edges, and vertices did you count? A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Now, let's explore the square-based pyramid. It's like a pyramid you might see in ancient Egypt. Can you guess how many faces, edges, and vertices it has? A square-based pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. It's pointy at the top like a mountain. Up next, we have the cone. Imagine a delicious ice cream cone. How many faces, edges, and vertices does it have? A cone has 2 faces, 1 curved edge, and 1 vertex. It's like a yummy treat with a pointy tip. Finally, we reach the sphere. It's perfectly round like a ball. Can you guess how many faces, edges, and vertices it has? Actually, a sphere doesn't have any faces, edges, or vertices. It's smooth all around, like a bouncy ball, or the earth itself. And there you have it, friends. We've explored the fascinating world of 3D shapes, discovering their faces, edges, and vertices along the way. Join us next time on Kids Wise Corner for more exciting adventures in learning. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe buttons to show your support, and don't forget to share some love. Appreciate you tuning in. Until then, stay curious and keep learning. Bye-bye.